here it is. Super beautiful in here inside this audiovisual room. Now we were heading to the second floor. As you can see, there is a stair.
Guys, stay tayo sa right side lang. Para yung mga mag-exit, mga daan po.
They also have restroom there, and also office of the curator. They also have painting in there. Yes. This is the elevator. As you can see, there are also the people who are going up and down. And this is the floor plan of Museo de San El Deposito. Gallery 1.
Sa ating pong Manila at saka natin dagdag po. So this is actually the Cariendo fountain na natagpuan mo sa Santa Ana, Manila. So that is just a replica, no? That's not an original Cariendo water fountain.
So you heard that this is
And
the
this side,
that's not the real ones.
and on this side, we're going to see the original water fountain. Water filtration used by the filters, and this is actually owned by us. Before, that is how they filter water. It's amazing how they filter water. On this side, makikita niyo po yung mga plano po. Para po sa ating Cariendo water works. So, ang tubig po na nag-impact po sa lugar nito ay mula po sa national sa ating from Marikina, dinadala po yung tubig dito sa El Deposito. So, at papunta naman po sa So this is the area where we are. A while ago, dito tayo picture. Ito yung, ito kung nasan tayo ngayon. This is where we are. Dito yung papasukin natin kanal, tapos ito yung mosaic ng kanal. So, led by its Supremo Andres Bonifacio. Okay, which is the KKK or Kataas-taasan, Kagalang-galang. It's not Kagalang-galangan because we don't have Tagalog word Kagalang-galang. Kagalang-galangan, it's Kagalang-galang. Okay? Sinubukan po nilang sakupin ang El Deposito itself para po mawalan ng suportang cover. The first place that they tried to occupy is the Polvorin dito po sa may San Juan. So after na po nila yung area, nabigyan po ng bigat yung mga Spanish dito po sa area ng Patungo. Kaya po dito sila nag-wag. Okay, so on this side, makikita po natin ang mga big area nung mismong lagay ng tubig o baka ng tubig. So, it is actually with the help of Kuya, I said follow lang sa line, di ba? So ito yung mga nakuha nila dun sa